Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I'm Samina Akhter and today I'm going to take an English class for the students of Junior 1. So let's see our topic today. So see here dear students, our subject is English and the topic is paragraph 1 and 2. And this is lecture number 29 and you have to do this as HW also. Okay, so here is my mobile number given and let's start our lesson now dear students. Look, so number 1 paragraph is my mother. So let's see, you have to write the heading first, my mother, and give the first letter of each word the capital letter. Okay, write each word, start each word with a capital letter. So let's read the paragraph. My mother's name is dash. Here you will write your mother's name. Okay, so my mother's name is dash. Here you will write your mother's name. Then she is a dash. Here you have to write your mother's profession. What is she? Okay, so if she is a housewife, you can write here housewife. Okay, then if she is a teacher, you can write here she is a teacher, or you can write she is a doctor. Okay, so you have to write here your mother's profession. Then she takes care of me, she helps me in my study. I love my mother very much. Okay, so she takes care of me, she helps me in my study. That means she helps me to read and write and helps me to do my homeworks. So she helps me to in my study. I love my mother very much. So this is it. I am going to repeat this paragraph once again. My mother's name is dash. Here you will write your mother's name. She is a for example, I have written here housewife. She is a housewife. You can write your mother's profession. She takes care of me. She helps me in my study. I love my mother very much. Okay, so this is paragraph number 1. Now paragraph number 2, the name of this paragraph is Rose. Okay, so you will write here the heading with a capital R. Okay, so let's read. Rose is the queen of flowers. Okay, Rose is the queen of flowers. It has many petals. Okay, it has many petals. It has sweet smell. Okay, it has sweet smell. It has many colors. It has many colors. Rose is my favorite flower. Okay, rose is my favorite flower. So dear students, let's see again. Rose is the queen of flowers. So rose is a very beautiful flower and it is considered the queen of flowers. It has many petals. Okay, so petal is a part of the flower. You can see there are many petals in a rose. It has many petals. It has sweet smell. Okay, it smells very sweet. It has sweet smell. It has many colors. So the rose can be of many colors. It can be red, it can be orange, or it can be pink. So last sentence, the rose is my favorite flower. So this is the second paragraph. And you have to remember, whenever you write the paragraph, you have to give full stop after each sentence. Okay, after finishing a sentence, you have to put a full stop there. Okay, so this is the both paragraph are here, and I hope you have understood the lesson today, and you have to do the SW also, write both paragraph in your SW. So see you in the next class. Goodbye.